Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a spudger. These tools are essential for safely disassembling the Lenovo Yoga 530. Start by powering off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located around the perimeter of the device. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, you will have access to the internal components. Begin by inspecting the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace specific parts. Before proceeding, it's important to clean the internal area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. If you feel this process is too daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify any underlying issues. Now, let's focus on the motherboard itself. If you need to replace it, carefully disconnect all cables and connectors attached to the motherboard. This includes the battery connector, display cable, and any other peripherals. Make sure to take note of where each connector goes, as this will aid in reassembly. Once all connections are removed, you can unscrew the motherboard from the chassis. Again, keep these screws organized. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed and that no connectors are still attached. After removing the motherboard, inspect it closely. If you're looking to repair rather than replace, you may need to solder new components onto the board. For this, a soldering iron and solder are required. Ensure you have a steady hand and a good magnifying glass to assist with this delicate task. If you're not comfortable with soldering, consider our quote before repair service, which allows you to understand the costs involved before committing to any repairs. This can save you time and ensure you're making an informed decision. Once the repairs are complete, or if you've replaced the motherboard, it's time to reassemble the device. Start by carefully placing the motherboard back into the chassis and reconnecting all cables and connectors. Make sure each connection is secure to avoid any future issues. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Power on the device to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. In conclusion, repairing a Lenovo Yoga 530 motherboard can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and take your time to ensure a successful repair. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.